So in this video I will show you how you can move an image block on your website on Squarespace. So first you need to click on edit, and then here you can see that I have some images, so I need to move it around. So for that I need to click and drag it. As you can see in the preview that it is happening live. I can also add a new image if I want. For that you need to click on add block and then click on image. Here you need to click on plus sign. I'm going to browse from stock images. I like this one. I'm going to go with this one. It will take some time to download. So here you can see that image has been uploaded, and for that to move I have to click and drag around. I can position it wherever I want within the space. So I hope you got an answer to this question and you found this video useful. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you in the next one.